Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your trading password on your KuCoins account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your trading password on your KuCoins account, firstly go ahead and launch open your KuCoin application on your device. From the home page, tap on profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, click on security option. Now tap on trading password option. Type in your new trading password, and that's how you'll be able to change your trading password on your KuCoins account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.